In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up QuickBooks preferences. Let's make sure your QuickBooks file reflects the way you work, from the dates you see to the currency format and what you call your customers. We'll walk through the exact path to find your preferences, and I'll share a few practical tips along the way so your choices are clear and consistent for your whole team. Start by heading to the top right corner of your QuickBooks screen. Look for the small gear icon. This is the gateway to all of your settings. Give that a click to open the Settings panel. From the menu that appears, choose Account and Settings. This is where you manage the core configuration of your company file, so it's the right place to fine-tune how your books look and behave. Once you're in Account and Settings, focus on the left-hand sidebar. Select Advanced. The Advanced area groups together behind-the-scenes options that affect how information is displayed and labeled across your books. Scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Preferences. This is the section we want. When you see it, click Edit. That will open up the fields you can customize. Here, you can change the date format. Pick the format that matches your region and how your team reads dates at a glance. Month, day, year, or day, month, year, for example. Consistency here prevents data entry errors and makes reports easier to scan. Next, review the currency format. Make sure it aligns with the currency you transact in most often and the symbol your stakeholders expect to see on invoices, bills, and reports. A clear currency format reduces confusion, especially if you share documents with clients, donors, or partners. You can also adjust the customer label. This controls the term QuickBooks uses throughout your forms and lists. If you work with clients, members, patients, tenants, or donors, choose the label that best fits your organization's language. It may seem small, but the right label makes your documents feel professional and aligned with your industry. As you make changes, take a moment to confirm they match your internal policies and any regional or compliance needs. It can help to jot down your previous settings before you adjust them, so you can revert if needed. And if you collaborate with a team, let them know which formats and labels you've set so everyone enters data the same way. That's it. By going to the gear icon, opening Account and Settings, selecting Advanced, scrolling to Preferences, and clicking Edit, you can quickly tailor QuickBooks to suit your workflow and present information the way you and your stakeholders expect.